Stay quiet until you hear the best investment ever. Bitcoin, stocks, gold, real estate, the S&P 500, yourself.
That one's priceless.
Excuse me, could you swap these for a $10 bill, please?
Yeah, I think I've got a $10 bill here. There's a 20, there's a 10. There you go.
Yeah,
no
just
worries.
count it and make sure that it's all good.
Well, I'm sure it's all right. Huh, actually, there's only 9 there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me just give you that one then.
That's
But
right.
thinking about it, while I'm here, could I give you an extra $10 and then you just give me the 20?
Yeah, sure thing. Do you think I was born yesterday?
What do you mean?
Well, that's a classic distraction scam, and you're not going to catch a millionaire like that. So take your $10 and keep walking. These are the 5 things that keep people poor. First is credit card debt. The interest eats you alive, so always pay your card off in full. Second is smoking. This drains your money and your lungs. Third is Uber Eats. Convenient now, but expensive long term. Fourth is getting coffee. $5 a pop adds up, so I make mine at home. Fifth is gambling. The house always wins, and I'd rather invest.
Credit card, they've basically given me 10K.
You know you got to pay that back, right?
Do you? I just got a great deal on this new car. 0 down, super low monthly payments.
What's the interest rate?
What? I have to pay interest? I'm hungry. Let's order food.
But you can't afford it.
True, but Klarna can. My credit score just dropped 100 points, but it's fine. I wasn't using it anyway.
Never buy a house in your 20s unless you do these 3 things. First, get added as an authorized user on your parents' credit card. This will boost your credit score. Second, get a credit card the moment you turn 18 and pay it off at the end of every month. This will build your credit score. Third, start a side hustle and stay living at home for as long as possible. This will grow your deposit. 3 books the rich want to ban. The last one is the best. Number 3, One Up on Wall Street. This teaches you how to invest like a pro. Number 2, The 4-Hour Work Week. This teaches you how to make passive income in your sleep. Number 1, Unscripted. This reveals how you can escape the rat race.
Guys give you so many extra fries.
Oh, actually, it's a very clever trick that helps them make more money. Let me show you.
How does giving away free stuff make more money?
Well, these Five Guys burgers are expensive, right?
Yeah, they're way more than McDonald's and In-N-Out.
Exactly. That's why the staff are instructed to put an extra scoop of fries in your bag, so you feel like you got more than you've paid for. 4 bank accounts you must have. 15% goes into a high-interest savings account. This is what keeps you in the game. 25% goes into an investment account. This is what works for you. 50% goes into an expenses account. This is what feeds you, not your ego. And 10% goes into your rewards account. This is what keeps you.
Wait, you bought your own coffee to Starbucks?
Of course, doing this made me an extra $1.5 million.
What are you talking about? A coffee's $5 max.
Over a year, that adds up to $1,825.
That's no way near $1.5 million.
It is if you invest it in the S&P 500 and an average annual return of 10% over 45 years.
Okay, but you still got a cake pop.
Well, come on. You got a little bit of algebra, but not how to do your taxes. You analysed Shakespeare, but never learnt how credit scores work. You studied Pythagoras, but skipped how to invest. You practiced handwriting, but no one shows you how to sign a contract. You memorised important dates, but never learned how to negotiate your worth. Learn what they didn't teach you, or keep playing someone else.
Oh, bro, we're all going to the nightclub this weekend. You coming?
Nah, I've got too many projects to finish. Anyway, you can't afford it.
But you're a millionaire. Live a little.
That's how I got rich, working hard while others were partying.
Sounds miserable.
I'll tell you what is miserable, flexing on a Friday and regretting it on a Monday.
Oh, bro, we're all going to the nightclub this weekend. You coming?
Nah, I've got too many projects to finish. Anyway, you can't afford it.
But you're a millionaire. Live a little.
That's how I got rich, working hard while others were partying.
Sounds miserable.
I'll tell you what is miserable, flexing on a Friday and regretting it on a Monday.
Why are you sat here? I've paid you to build my website.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorting it. It should be ready in about 10 minutes.
And how do you work that one out then?
Look, don't worry about that. It's going to be amazing.
But where's your laptop?
Oh, I don't build websites.
So I've paid you for nothing then?
That's the beauty of ours. 5 ways to get a free hotel room upgrade from a millionaire businessman. 1, book directly with a hotel to save them commission fees. They'd appreciate it. 2, pay with a credit card that offers hotel perks. Some cards grant instant elite status. 3, if it's your birthday or a special occasion, let the hotel know in advance. They might surprise you. 4, check in between 5 and 7 p.m. when the hotel has finalised cancellations and